Okay, today we're here at Dairy Queen, and we finally came here again to try one of their Blizzard of the Month. So this is the returning Oreo Mocha Fudge Blizzard. So she already did the return. I don't want to make it come out, but there's one of the Oreo pieces. Looks like there's also chocolate chips. Yeah. If you like Oreos, you'll like this or Blizzard. You do get that mocha taste too. The nice crunch of the Oreo and the nice also crunch of the when you get one of those little chocolate pieces. This is, I think, a medium size, and it was $5.61. That includes tax, though. Yeah, this one's good. I like it. We haven't been to a Dairy Queen in a few years, actually, and I don't think we ever reviewed one on the channel, so we've been meaning to come here. So, anyways, let's see. Let me see, what kind of grade will I give it? I think I'll give it an A. It has the Oreo taste, has the mocha taste. Yeah, if you see the Oreo pieces in there, and it's very good. I like it. I happen to like those flavors, so. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and then click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.